You've heard it all before. Countless people recommending endless skincare products, promising your skin will transform and become perfect overnight. But when you try it, nothing seems to work. The truth is, everyone has different skin types, and the products that work for other people might not work for you. In this video, I'll help you discover your skin type, identify your skin concerns, and show you the products you actually need for flawless, healthy, glass skin. Identify your skin type. Before you start creating a skincare routine, it's essential to identify your skin type. Each skin type requires different treatments and products, so understanding your skin is key to achieving the best results. Here are the different skin types. 1. Oily skin. Oily skin has a shiny and greasy appearance, especially in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Oily skin is prone to blackheads and acne. 2. Acne-prone skin. This type can be oily or dry, but tends to break out frequently. It's sensitive to certain products and requires gentle, targeted treatments. 3. Dry skin. Often feels tight and may have flaky patches. It looks dull and can be sensitive, requiring extra hydration and gentle care. 4. Sensitive skin. Easily irritated, often appearing red or itchy. It reacts quickly to new products that can make your skin irritated. 5. Combination skin, a mix of oily and dry areas, typically with an oily T-zone and dry or normal cheeks. Step 1. Cleansing. The first skincare product you actually need is a cleanser. Cleansing is very important because it removes dirt, impurities, and excess oil. It also helps to unclog your pores and prevent breakouts. Choose a cleanser that is suited for your skin type. Cream-based cleansers are the best for dry skin or sensitive skin, and gel-based cleansers or foam cleansers work the best for oily acne-prone skin or combination skin. Apply a generous amount of cleanser to your hands and lather it up. Gently massage the foam into your skin using circular motions for about 30 to 60 seconds, making sure to cover all areas of your face. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove all traces of the cleanser. If you wear makeup, you can use the double cleansing method. This method helps remove makeup and excess oil buildup. For this method, you'll need to use an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser. In your evening routine, apply the oil-based cleanser to dry skin. Massage it for 45 to 60 seconds, then rinse with water. Next, use the water-based cleanser and massage it for about 30 to 60 seconds. Lastly, rinse it off with water. Step 2. Serum. After cleansing, the next step in your skincare routine is applying a serum. Serums are concentrated treatments packed with active ingredients. They target specific skin concerns such as acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and wrinkles. Serums can also help with hydration, brightening, anti-aging, and acne prevention. Choose a serum that addresses your skin concerns. For example, hyaluronic acid serums are excellent for hydration, vitamin C serums brighten the skin, retinol serums help with anti-aging, and salicylic acid serums are great for acne-prone skin. Gently pat the serum into your skin using your fingertips. Give the serum a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step in your routine. Step 3. Moisturizer. The third step that is needed in your skincare routine is moisturizing. Moisturizers are essential in your routine. If you don't use it, your skin can become dehydrated and dry, which can cause breakouts. Choose a lightweight moisturizer that you can use in the morning and the night. Make sure to choose a moisturizer that is suited for your skin type. Gel moisturizers are ideal for oily skin, combination skin, and acne-prone skin. They are lightweight, non-greasy, and absorb quickly. They provide hydration without clogging pores. Creamy moisturizers are the best for dry and sensitive skin since they create a protective barrier on the skin and provide more intense hydration. Step 4. Sunscreen. The next step in your skincare routine is applying sunscreen. Sunscreen is crucial for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sunburn, and increase the risk of skin cancer. Apply it generously to your face and neck in your morning routine after moisturizer. Don't forget areas like your ears and the back of your neck. It is advised to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, even when staying indoors. Simplify your skincare routine. Using too many products can lead to irritation, breakouts, clogged pores, and redness, especially if they contain fragrances, harsh ingredients, or if they are not suitable for your skin type. Less is more when it comes to skincare. That means you don't need a 10-step skincare routine to achieve glass skin. Don't be misled into thinking you need an expensive, time-consuming, and wasteful skincare routine. Instead, focus on the 4 basic skincare products such as a gentle cleanser, serum, sunscreen, and moisturizer. We have looked at the 4 basic skincare products in the previous steps. Here are additional ones you can add to your skincare for extra benefits. Toners. Toners are liquid skincare products applied after cleansing and before serums or moisturizers. They help balance your skin's pH, hydrate, and soothe, giving your complexion a radiant glow. Additionally, toners can even out skin tone, tighten pores, reduce excess oil, and help prevent breakouts. It's an additional step in your skincare routine that can offer extra benefits and enhance your overall results. Liquid toners are typically applied with a cotton pad or your fingertips. They are great for balancing pH and providing hydration. Toner pads are pre-soaked pads that are convenient and easy to use. They offer the same benefits as liquid toners, with the added convenience of quick application. Essences. Essences are lightweight, hydrating products applied after toners and before serums or moisturizers. They help deeply hydrate, nourish, and prep your skin, enhancing the absorption and effectiveness of the other products in your routine. They can also improve your skin's texture, making it smoother and more radiant. Liquid essences have a watery consistency and are typically lightweight. They absorb quickly into the skin, providing hydration and nourishment, helping to plump and soften the skin. Liquid essences are suitable for all skin types. Sticky essences have a thicker consistency compared to liquid essences and are designed to provide longer-lasting hydration. They are ideal for dry or dehydrated skin because they offer intense hydration and create a moisture barrier. Face masks. Face masks are helpful additions to your skincare routine, offering targeted treatments that can address various skin concerns such as blackheads, dryness, and anti-aging. They help to deeply cleanse, hydrate, refresh, and rejuvenate your skin, enhancing your overall complexion. Using face masks once or twice a week can provide your skin with an extra boost of care. Sheet masks are soaked in a concentrated serum, providing intense hydration and delivering active ingredients directly to the skin. They are convenient, easy to use, and suitable for all skin types. Simply apply the sheet mask to your face, leave it on for the recommended time, and then remove it to reveal refreshed and nourished skin. Peel-off masks are applied as a gel or liquid and then left to dry before being peeled off. They help to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and lift away impurities, leaving your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. Peel-off masks are great for oily or combination skin, as they help control excess oil and reduce blackheads. Clay masks are made from different types of clay and are ideal for deep cleansing and detoxifying the skin. Clay masks absorb excess oil, remove impurities, and can help reduce the appearance of pores. They are particularly beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin, but can also be used on combination skin. Treatments. If you have persistent and severe skin issues that don't improve with regular skincare, it's advisable to see a dermatologist. A dermatologist can accurately diagnose the type and cause of your acne or skin problem and prescribe the most effective treatment. Do's and don'ts. Don'ts. Don't touch your face unless your hands are clean and freshly washed. Otherwise, you risk transferring bacteria from everything you've touched throughout the day to your face. Avoid scrubbing too hard, as it can lead to redness, wrinkles, and irritation, which may worsen pimples. Don't use very hot water to wash your face, as it can strip away your skin's natural oils and cause it to dry out. Never pop pimples. Squeezing them can push bacteria and pus deeper into the skin, potentially causing more swelling, redness, and even scarring. Avoid overwashing your face. Cleansing too frequently strips the skin of its natural oils, which are essential for keeping it hydrated and healthy. Even if your skin is oily, don't wash more than twice a day. Do's. Change your pillowcase regularly, as bacteria can transfer from it to your face. Always check the ingredients and test products on your hand before applying them to your face. Clean your makeup brushes and sponges every 2 weeks. Never use dirty tools on your face. Frequently change the towel you use to dry your face so that you avoid transferring bacteria and oils back onto your skin. What you actually need to do for clear skin. Are you doing all those things and still not seeing any results? Well, here's the actual secret to achieving glass skin. If you think you'll only need a skincare routine to achieve glass skin, then you're wrong. To glow on the outside, it's important to take care of yourself on the inside. But wait, what does that mean? It means that for real change, you need to sleep a minimum of 8 hours a day. Avoid stressing too much, as it can cause breakouts. Exercise frequently to keep your body healthy, and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Healthy skin begins with healthy habits, but even if you're doing all of these things, if your diet is not balanced and healthy, your skin may not improve or may even worsen. Diets that include a lot of processed foods, sugary treats, and fried or oily items can negatively affect your skin. Although it's fine to enjoy these foods occasionally, it's best to minimize them. Instead, incorporate plenty of vegetables and fruits packed with antioxidants and vitamins, as well as protein-rich foods, to promote healthier skin. And lastly, remember to always stay consistent. In order to see results, you need to keep trying. It can take weeks or even months to see improvement. Just trust the process, and eventually, you will reach your goals. Keep shining like you always do, because you are beautiful, no matter what your skin looks like right now.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.